So the other benefits of dropping your tyre pressure is it gives a much more comfortable ride in the cabin. You're running full pressure, you'll bounce around everywhere. When you drop the pressure down to about 22 psi on this rocky terrain, you'll feel a lot more comfortable in the cabin. This is Dez at his best. Trying to deflate a fucking tyre. Seriously.
Come out. No, what I was going to say is I've been through a few of these deflators. These ARB ones are the ones to go for. About 70-80 bucks. They do the job. They don't break like the other ones do. And they record pretty much the poundage as it should. So get one of these ones.
Give the viewers an idea of how you use them, Dez. Can you let them know, give a demonstration on how you use a tyre deflator?
Well, I just stuffed that one up, so it's not a good idea to actually get you guys to show you. But yeah, they're pretty simple. Just whack that into nozzle, undo the pin, and then just let that one down, and yeah, it comes out. So.
Well, now that Dez has given you an indication on how to use a tyre deflator in Spanish, the Uruguayan style, I'll tell you in English, right? These ARB deflators are second to none. $70, $80 worth, money well spent. The idea is you want to screw this directly onto your
You fucked the TV, yeah.
That's because you're standing next to me, you're not bad. You would put it straight onto your valve, okay? You screw it straight onto your valve. Once it's fully onto your valve, you want to pull this pin out, push it back in, and then anti-clockwise undo. A little bit of a demonstration on how to use it.
You got one to do? The other thing as well, I'll quickly show you. You will hear it go. So if you hear that, it means that the valve's not actually out. So just give it another twist, and then you'll hear it, just the air coming out. So that's where you want to be. Yeah. So I'll let this one down to probably about 22, 25 today. It's still a little bit dry, but a bit rocky at the moment. So. Nick, nice.
They're not as forgiving as dirt.
You might get down and oh, nice one. What happened there? You might give Big a hand here. Might go around to the right, Nick, and then take it on straight.
Love those BF Goodrich, really got plenty of grip. Considering you've got no lift on that car, Mick, it's the clearance was quite good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah.
How'd you go, Mick?
He's got his first bit of damage, Mick.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, just Chris in the factory bash plate.
Is that from the bog hole or from a rock? That's a good one.
Can't wait to put the ARB kit on there. Give me a bit more protection.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then the lift.
And then
What's going on?
take a picture of me with the pillow.
Mick generally camps at the Hilton.
Yeah,
or,
it's a bit different for him at the moment.
Yeah.
I've got my crisp white sheets all laid out.
Yeah.
And I've got 15
let's go
pillows.
have a look where he's
Oh,
actually
come on.
sleeping tonight.
Let's look at the Hilton.
Alright, so we'll go around this side first. We won't go through the main foyer. We'll come out from the back end.
Next time, buddy, before you walk through there. Have
So-
some respect.
What do you reckon? Crackers.
Welcome to my comfortable abode.
Oh, Mick, geez, you've done well here. Did you get permits to put this thing up? Because I'll tell you what, I reckon she might need it.
It's coming down, mate.
Yeah.
There's a level of risk sleeping under here, but I think I'll be all right.
Yeah, so
Oh, wow.
structurally, if this comes down, I think the tent will probably hold it.
You think?
You're right, mate. Yeah,
I'll just put my hand up and I think I'll be able to protect
And the best
myself.
part about it is, you wake up, you're a little bit thirsty at night, you know, you wake up, you've got the fridge right here. Have a look at this. You little beauty.
I'll have to put some beers in there for later on.
Should it be old? But
So seriously, who brings a fridge out to the middle of the bush?
it's on its side, isn't
Some
it?
strange units.
Anyway, come through, I'll show you the camp. It's a little bit wet here.
What have I got here?
We've got the setup, mate. This is
What's that bit there? Is that a corner office or kitchen? Yeah.
This is where I do my best work, mate, in the kitchen. So I'll be cooking up a great feast for Dez and Mick tonight. We're going to have burgers. And I'll tell you what, everyone's going to love them. Well, a couple of blokes will love them. So stay tuned. I'll show you how I'm going to do that a little bit later. Dez, you need to trim down a little bit, bud, so just stay with us. And I've got a little treat for you later on. And
jeez.
you're going to be very excited about this.
Yeah, I'm sure I will be.
Yeah, rabbits love it. Put it that way.
Oh, jeez. All right. So what have we
Yeah,
got?
we've got plenty of ventilation here. A little bit disappointed. We've got a few mozzies getting through the fly-wire screen.
Right.
But Edgy and AZ have been here, and a couple of the PWFs.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll take.
Is that the
we've
guest
got-
room we got there?
Oh
It's
yeah,
quite
that's-
artistic actually.
Oh.
Someone's
yeah. What have we got? It comes with its own, 22 bullet holes. Bit of graffiti.
Well, that's art.
Someone's left a
Is it a sock?
Nah, that's apparatus that you probably generally put around something that swings in the breeze when you get your clothes off. But that's usually what you use it for.
Oh wow.
But if you want to use that sock, Mick,
And if it's a bit breezy, you can shut the door.
yeah. If you want to use that later on, you can.
No worries.
As you can see, we've positioned the fire perfectly. But it has been raining, so yeah, she's a bit smoky.
If she gets a bit too smoky, Des.
Oh, look at this for a tool.
What are you cooking, Crackers?
Sausages and hamburgers.
Nice.
Cool,
Tell
mate.
you what, mate, this is one of the hardest things you'll do in your life. Because you end up burning your legs. Nah, all good, mate. We'll be eating shortly. Like I said earlier, I've got something special for you, Des.
Oh, jeez.
Just keep tuned, mate. Bush burgers here, Des. Mick's gonna put a olive trio dip on the burgers, on the bread. Sorry. We'll chuck some cos lettuce, a bit of cheese, tomato. We've got the salt and pepper, all in one. Happy days. Burgers are right.
Beautiful.
Actually, we only need 2 of those burgers, mate. I've got something special for Des.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So is
Oh, I don't want to know about it.
Des on some sort of restrictions or
Well,
something maybe,
he constantly speaks to me about.
Right.
He looks a bit big on TV. He just wants to slim down a little bit. So
Right, okay.
I'll help him out. So what I've done, I've gone out on my own accord.
Just give me a burger, will you?
No, you're not getting burgers, mate. You need to watch your weight. So what we're going to do, I've gone out and I've whipped up a beautiful salad for you, buddy.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Look at this.
Crackers?
Mick, can you get me a burger, please?
No, mate. I believe that Crackers is looking after you.
Look at that,
What
mate.
is that?
Baby leaf side salad.
Oh,
Okay?
What am I going to do with that? Do I throw it in the fire?
No, mate. I'll tell you what, this here,
I'm not eating that.
yeah, you are. You're not getting a burger.
I'm not in that.
Every time we watch a bit of footage, we do a bit of editing, you carry on like a 2-bob watch, going, oh, I look a bit big, you look a little bit skinnier than me, I need to stand back further, all this sort of stuff, buddy. You're eating this salad,
I'm not in
and you
that
drop a
shit.
couple of kgs, and then it's all happy days.
What is in that, man?
It's a bit of, you know, a little bit of carrot.
You squeeze a bit of lemon on there for a bit of flavour.
You know what you do? Put a sausage in there.
No, you don't, mate. No sausage.
We'll do some skinless grilled chicken for you, and we'll put a little bit of that on top. How's
No,
that?
just Mick.
And the preparation was
I don't mind eating the
outstanding.
salad, but
Yeah.
as long as you put 2 or 3 sausages, just chop them up and
No,
whack
mate.
them in
No,
there.
no.
That's not going to work.
This is the whole issue with you, mate. It's just your Uruguayan background that's screwing your stomach over, son. You need to get these salads straight into you, and you'll be right. You'll drop a couple of kilos in a week or
Yeah,
so.
well, you eat it, Mick. I'm having a burger.
That's cracking.
No, mate. No,
I'll
we're
tell you
having
what.
burgers.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm eating the burger.
Unfortunately, I have to eat the burger. I would really love to eat that salad.
Well, I'll swap you for today.
No.
I've just smelt this freaking burger for the last 20 minutes, and I'm having a burger.
And we've got sauce too, mate.
Look at this, man.
Come on.
It's got nothing on there.
Come on, bud.
It's got nothing on there.
It's a bit of
Give
cheese.
him a fork.
Did you mix some vinegar or something on there?
No, you don't need vinegar, mate. That's calories.
Bit of sauce.
That's calories, mate. Rabbits eat well.
At least put some vinegar on there. Some olive oil.
You don't need vinegar.
What do you mean,
We're in the
man?
bush, mate.
Put some pepper on there.
No. You got oil?
Yeah, we do.
You're going to give me a
I'll tell you
fork,
what,
or I'm
you're
going to eat a lot
Oh,
like
look
that.
at that.
You're gonna thank.
Be more.
You're gonna thank us.
Beautiful.
Give me a fork, Mick. What's the drawer?
Look at that
Oh,
salad.
come on. Crackers. What the hell?
Mate, you'll be
You
right.
guys subject me to this. We're in the bush,
You'll
man.
be okay.
What you've been talking about today is doing these hamburgers.
Either
And now you give me a salad.
well, it's going to be. It's all about resilience. Okay, it's going to make you a better man. That's the key. When you only weigh 75 kilos, you're able to throw a couple of burgers down every now and then. And you're right. Happy days.
You're a fruit, man.
There you go, mate.
Oh, you're a bloody champion. Here we are having a little bit of breakfast. Day 2, Dez and Crackers 4x4 adventures. Unfortunately, Dez has overdone it once again last night. He missed his 12 o'clock curfew, went to bed at about 12:20, and this is the side of him now. He's actually curled up in his car. Don't worry about sleeping up in your tent, mate. Come and have a check this out. Have a look at him. Dez. How you going there, buddy? You alright?
Not feeling too good, mate.
Alright, mate. Well, we've got some eggs on the go. The coffee's brewing. So you have a little rest there, buddy. You'll be right. Someone's going to have to drive the jelly bean home because he obviously can't. So we've got the coffee going here. Got some eggs on the go. We'll have a nice little feed and then we'll get out there and hit the tracks.
We could go that way, actually. That'd be better. Yeah, alright, so turn right,
Oh, Dumb and Dumber.
and we'll see the old explosive shed.
Oh, man. You go there. Explosive shit.
Alright, Des, let's go to the explosive shed. I thought that was this morning when you went into the outhouse. The explosive shed.
Twice.
Different type of explosion.
They went twice.
What are you doing? Turn around or are you heading up the track?
Going up, mate. Just takes the old Hilux. Needs a 10-point turn. There's the water. boys. I just had to splash the boots. Dez ended up contracting a severe virus on our trip. He was quite crook, but the beauty of Dez is he pushed through, and we got home. I ended up taking him into hospital, and he was overnight there with a drip, but he's all good now, ready for the next 4x4 adventure.